I would think that REIT investment is an investment which is attached to property. Whether the property is a retail property, whether it is a hospitality property, which means it's hotel property, or whether it's a warehouse property, or whether it's factory. Okay, so if we ask ourselves, is property a good long-term investment? So if the answer is yes, then the REIT, which is attached to underlying property, which is supposed to diversify into different properties, okay, that should be a good long-term investment. Okay, but the key thing again is about diversification. The challenge of any property investment is that if you have only invested into a REIT which is situated in a country, in a certain sector, and in certain location, chances are you may need to ride through certain cycle, which is good or bad or up and down, for that particular piece of property. But if you were to invest into a pool of REITs, 5 or 10 different REITs across different countries, across different locations, across different sector, for example, retail, hospitality, warehouse, factory, then your investment experience, your investment performance will be much improved compared to investing only into 1 or 2 pieces of property in certain location.
Need your guidance in terms of maximum CFD investment. So is it 1% of cost of total investment, or is it 1% of market value of total investment?
When you talk about this CFD investment, you always invest CFD using margin. Normally the margin range between like 10 or 5%, that range. So which means to say, when you are betting, for example, I said just now, a stock to rise from $5 to $10, you do not really pay $5. Okay, so instead of paying $5, you could be paying only 10% of the $5, which is 50 cents. Okay, so this is the you can say the power of investing in CFD. Okay, you can use a small money, do leverage on whatever investment direction that you are seeing is going. So that's why it is a very strong leverage. Okay, but I must warn any investor, when you make money, of course there is a good opportunity, but you could lose money as well when it turns a different direction. If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.